Alright, we're back. Let's see if we can get this one apart. It's the tight one. Might be a little harder to get to. Get up close, you maybe we'll see better. Alright, I'm going to start with the Allens on the other side. One down. Alright, we're back. We're on a hard drive space. And battery's not happy. Okay, the long socket I can get in here with this for now, but it's getting too long there. Right there. So switch over to this other one. The back one I can't get to with a long socket because I can't hold it. If the last video cut off somewhere in there. Not sure exactly where it cut off at. Okay, this one here, we got a washer and a bolt. Same with this one. Okay. The other bolt's going to be a little harder to get to. Try to use a little stubby socket. Problem is getting in there to do anything with it is the problem. Okay, it's on the bolt at least. Kind of get to it like that a little bit. Not really. Fingers are too short to really get access to it. Plus that nice new chrome socket is really slippery with oil on it. Yeah. Alright, let's try something different. It might be high enough I can get my ratchet in here now. Ratchet's just laying in the socket, it's not all the way in. Doing a trick, just laying on top of the socket. Was not engaged. Yeah, slippery. I should have access to the bolt, maybe. Yeah, thought I could get in there, but pretty tight. Bolt out, washer, fill in with the valve spring. Get it out later. Okay. So now it's just a 1/2 inch stuff we got to deal with. With that low profile. There we go. This is where a low profile ratchet comes in real handy. So just reach it in there. And loosen it. Okay. Same deal, just go a little bit at a time. Doesn't appear to have any tension on this rocker box. Tension on these bolts. Yep, it was the front one that had the valves were open. These ones, the valves are closed, so the bolts come out easy. It's hard to get to those ones. Try the other side. Go. Alright. So these you can't pull the bolts out because there's no room, so you have to pull the bolts out with the box. Hopefully they clear the frame. I'd definitely be shaving down the heads of the two bolts there, eliminating the washers or something to get more clearance. Have to beat it back into the hammer. Not good for the gasket surface. Okay. Fancy tool works good. Go. Okay, that bolt comes out, that one comes out, those two do not come out. You get the push rods out of here, wiggle them around until you get them out. Okay. Now, I'm going to wiggle them around to get the stuff to come out of here. Okay, get that bolt out now. Just got the one bolt over here causing problems. There we go. Twist it around just right to get it out. And just like the other one, so roll the rock arms. Everything looks good, which is a big plus. What do I do with the other box? I don't see the box anywhere. Okay, lay it on the floor over there. Oh, there it is, way in the back. It's over here. Okay. I've been known to reuse this stuff, especially on a race bike.